Hello everyone, I am S.Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design of Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about visual effects, the case study in the VFX pipeline. Moreover, VFX is a visual effects. It is a computer generated imaginary which makes the film it's more reliable. Moreover, we are using the VFX for represent our film, which is not even organized or created by our own, or example an environment or space like that. We are using the visual effects for creating. It is in the imaginary basis. Moreover, VFX pipeline includes the concept of pre-production, production and post-production. In pre-production, the VFX effects, the imaginary steps, the animation character need to plan according to the sketch, and after that we are giving the production using the sketch, creating that into the matte painting or the environment. And the last one is post-production. After creating the character or imaginary world, we need to give a real life to them. That will be only available in the post-production. We need to include the music and the real effects, which includes the motion pictures. Like everything will be happens only in the post-production. Now my students are going to say about the case study with the VFX pipeline.
Myself, S. Monica of 3rd GCD. So as ma'am said, there are 3 steps for production, post-production and pre-production. So it includes, I am going to tell about pre-production. Pre-production in the sense, everything we have to checking once whether to implement the process or not. It includes music, animation and editing. Animation in the sense like acting on the same film and making the environment and checking the light effects and everything. So editing in a sense, we are checking the surroundings, the environment, light effects and etc. So these are the major things that are included in this pre-production. So we have to check the process and we have to check the script and we have to implement the process so that we can able to get the perfect film making, and without any error we can able to create a perfect film. So like for example, I am going to tell about, there are a lot of animation films. I am going to tell about Avatar, which is recently created and it is very much hit. So Avatar, they use lot of VFX and lot of many process to get a perfect animation film. So they uses the mask tool and clown tool and etc. So this is only to make the film very much perfect and to include the surroundings very much clear. So the Avatar film is fully upon the editings and VFX that gives the real and visual effects so that the users can able to enjoy the film and they can able to act and go into the film. Thank you.
Okay, next my student is going to tell about production part and VFX pipeline.
Hello everyone, I am Mandana from 3rd GCD. Today I am going to talk about production part in case study. Production is really what and all we do after the pre-production. In production part, we are running texturing, rigging, animation, etc. If we take Bahubali as the biggest example for production, in Bahubali movie, the set, the characters and all created by the VFX, and that is called production. And production means in pre-production they are just sketching the roles. They are just giving a roles to some drawings. But in production only we are giving the characters and lifeline to the sketches. So production is very important stage of the filmmaking. Thank you.
Okay, now my student is going to tell about post-production and VFX pipeline.
I am Krishiv from the Department of GCD. The post-production is the stage where the magic happens in this after the production. In that we can do the editing and visual effects and sound design and color grading and come together to transform a raw footage into a polished thing. So it would be a very final product. Teamwork is the main element in that. For actions like CGI elements can be completed by this. They can be composed and ensure everything blends seamlessly in the live action scenes. For example, we can take the James Cameron's Avatar movie. In post-production, there are many such of editing works like each and every facial expressions can be done in it. So it's very hard to complete, but it will correct all the errors that happens during the pre-production and production. So it is the main thing in the VFX. Thank you.
Okay, my three students explain about the production, pre-production, production and post-production. Moreover, without these three important things, the VFX pipeline not fulfilled. Moreover, the two students explained the example with Avatar, where when we are seeing the Avatar film in the movie screen, we can see the number of creatures and the forest. It's fully they use the VFX effects as a background environment. It mostly done in the post-production. In pre-production and production, they only planned, but the post-production only execute what is the imaginary concept and what they are need to tell about the story to the audience. Thank you.